Army Upgrade Channel brings you the events of the defense complex of different countries. According to the press service of the Russian United Aircraft Corporation handed over to the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation the final batch of SU-57 fifth-generation fighters under the 2023 production program. The aircraft manufacturers have manufactured and handed over to our armed forces all SU-57 fifth-generation aircraft planned for delivery this year. The fighters have successfully passed all necessary factory tests. The ramp-up of production of these unique machines was made possible thanks to the resolution of issues related to the rhythmic supply of components and improvement of inline assembly technology. In 2023, the SU-57 inline assembly line was set up in the context of increasing serial production of aircraft. UAC Aviation Plant is ramping up serial production of the SU-57. The final assembly shop is already working on the fighters that will be handed over to the Russian Air Force in 2024. The number of fifth-generation fighter jets delivered to the troops is almost doubling every year, the general director of the state corporation said. The TASS news agency also reported that all serial Su-57 fighters to be transferred to the Russian Air and Space Forces in 2024 will receive second-stage engines. More than 10 Su-57s with first-stage engines have already been handed over to the Air Force in 2023. There are no plans to replace the first-stage engines on the Su-57s already transferred to the Air Force with new engines. Even with the first-stage engine, the Su-57 is superior in its performance to the American F-35. By the end of 2022, 11 serial Su-57 fighters had been built under this contract, of which, after the loss of the lead fighter during the final stage of factory testing, the Russian Air Force received 10 aircraft. Apparently, a total of about 11 Su-57 aircraft were delivered to the Russian Air Force in 2023. Thus, the estimated number of aircraft built is 21. The Su-57 is a Russian fifth-generation multifunctional fighter developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau. The machine is designed to destroy all types of air, as well as defeat ground and surface targets. Earlier, it was assumed that by 2028 the Russian army should have 76 such airplanes in service. Video about 5 secret military planes being built in the United States. See at the end of the video at the link.